What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please do me a big favor. Hit that subscribe button. I'm so close to 100. That's my first milestone goal. Please help me get there if you enjoy this video. Today's video is going to be all about how much it would cost to build your own PC if you used pre-built specs. All right, let's roll into it. All right, guys. So what I got for you now is basically we're just gonna take a look at an NZXT build. It's in the $2,000 range. That's about the range that I was finding. You could find a 3000 series GPU, but upon further review, that's wrong. I haven't been able to find one. They've been all out of stock, the 3060s and 3070s. So you gotta really spend a lot more money, and I'm trying not to do a crazy expensive build, you know, just something where kind of anybody can get it. So as you can see, we have the NZXT build up on the screen here. What I'm gonna do is I already have some on a PC part picker list over here that I've been building. And I just want to go down the list and compare it price by price and side by side and see how much either we can save by building or how much more it would be to build your own. And that would just show a benefit of why now is a good time to buy a pre-built. So starting with the case, it's the NZXT H510. It comes in the white version. Let's see how much. $66.98. And that saves us $3.01 right there. Just going down this list, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060. Found it for $444.36 on Google Shopping, so that's kind of how I was looking. That's a good way to do it. They have it for $479.99, and that'll save you about $35.63. Going down the line, we have the CPU, which is the Intel Core i7-10700K. It's an 8-core, 3.0 GHz CPU. I was able to find that for $319.99, which is a lot better than the $379.99, and that saves you $60. All right, moving on down to the cooler. The NZXT Kraken M22, $79.98, and on here they have $79.99. Save a whole whopping 1 penny. For the motherboard, we have the MSI Z490 Gaming Plus. Let's see if we have it here. MSI Z490 Gaming Plus. However, I couldn't find it on PC Part Picker, which means I had to go on Google Shopping and look there, and I found it for about $186.98. And that saves you a $3.01 off of the $189.99 that NZXT has. Going down, we have the XPG Spectrix D50 RGB 3600 speed 16GB RAM kit. I have that right here for $115 from Best Buy. So actually, we're losing money there. We're adding an extra $20.01 by buying it ourselves. SSD, we have the Western Digital SN550 1TB for $106.90. And we're actually spending another $1.91. Going down, XPG Core Reactor 650 watt gold. I have that right here for $130. And once again, couldn't find it on any Amazon, Best Buy, or any site that PC Part Picker uses. Any site that PC Part Picker uses, I was able to find it on Google Shopping for about $130. We're spending about an additional $20 if you buy that by yourself. Now for the Windows 10 Home, there are a couple of ways to go about this. You can do it this way and pay the $99.99, $20 cheaper than NZXT will give it to you. Or you can go onto Kingwin and get it for $37.36, which will save you about $82. So all that money that we overspent on the RAM, the SSD, and the power, you're getting more of that back just by getting the Windows 10 Home key off of a third-party website. And then the service fee, well, obviously, it's free to build on your own time. This NZXT build comes out to about $1,728.91 USD. The build that we are looking at over here, ignore this number, it's actually about $1,487.55. That is a savings of $241.36. So depending on the build and depending on what you're looking at getting and things like that and what website you're getting it from, still take the chance and piece it out before you do buy from a pre-built. Because as we can see here, we're saving almost $241 by not having them build it. You automatically save the $100 just on the service fee alone, plus the shipping and handling and things like that. The moral of the story is, do your due diligence. Don't just buy a PC. Don't just build a PC. Do some research first. Know what you're getting. Making sure you're getting the best parts for your build for what you need it for. And you can save some money if you build it yourself right now. There are plenty of opportunities to actually build cheaper than a pre-built, which has always been the case. But availability right now is really what's pushing me towards recommending pre-builds. So that's going to do it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Make sure you hit that like, hit that subscribe. It means the world to me. We're trying to get to 100 subscribers as soon as we can. So all of you who have already hit it, thank you so much. If you haven't hit it yet, make sure you do right now. And I'll see you in the next one.